She's looking at me like she wants something. That's Lacey, by the way. Look at her. What? All right, ruining my video. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I just made it back from vacation, literally just landed last night. Well, technically today, like 1 a.m. Slept, did a ton of work today. Pretty freaking tired. Anyway, just wanted to make a video announcement. We made like the first pay what you want Amazon FBA course, and that's so cool. I'm really excited. You guys are all loving it. I've had tons of people say, you know, this is the best course I've ever taken. I've taken $1,000 courses, $1,500 courses, and I'm not even just trying to like pump it up here. It's literally just so cool that I was able to do that for you guys. And I'm just kind of, you know, of course, a lot of you are probably like, why are you telling me this? I already know this, Paul. I've done the course, but I got a lot of new subscribers. Welcome, everybody. We're at almost 6,000 subscribers. I launched it with 4,000, maybe even 3,800. Photobombing. Yeah, a lot of new stuff happening. The course is so awesome. I'm personally launching 2 products right now. They're going really well. Bottom of page 1 for one right now, and another one we're still working on getting it to page 1. Really cool. Already looking for other stuff, of course, but I just wanted to let you guys know, if you are new here and you haven't picked up the Savage Sellers course, you drop down is the first link in the description, and it's going to bring you to the landing page for it. And what there is there's a little box and it says pay what you want. So for instance, you know, the retail price I set it at was going to just be $300. You know, it's a pretty reasonable price for the amount of value that's in there. But then, you know, something happened, just clicked in my head. I was like, you know what? I couldn't even afford that when I was starting. So let's just, you know, let's make it pay what you can afford. It's really like a better name for it, pay what you can afford. And that's really the point of it. You know, it's start to finish, beginning to end, everything you need to know to start, everything you need to know to launch. So I'm really happy that a lot of you are taking so much value away from it. People are already working on getting their products going. The reason I'm announcing this today is because it is 1 month since we launched the course. So happy birthday, Savage Sellers Pay What You Want course. But yeah, if you haven't gotten into it yet, go ahead, drop down the first link in the description, as I said before. But really, we're going to be wrapping this video up here. And I just wanted to really say thanks to all you guys for, you know, we're coming up on like 10,000 subscribers really quickly now. And everyone's loving all the free content and all the donation-based content. So, you know, I'm going to keep it coming. Excuse, you know, the super vloggy style videos lately. Not that I really have to excuse it. A lot of you guys are actually really liking it and have been asking for those kind of videos. But don't worry, like if you come here specifically just for tutorials, I have a ton of more, you know, informational tutorials coming, PPC stuff I learned from people that are way above my level. Me giving all the information to you here for free over the next couple of weeks. In the next couple of years, really, in the long scheme of things. But yeah, thanks for sticking around, guys. If you haven't already, be sure to, you know, like if you took the course and enjoyed it. And if you haven't yet, if you're going to pick it up, go ahead and pick it up in the first link in the description. Haven't subscribed already, I'd love to have you. And anyway, I'll see you in the next video.